Have you ever woken up, looked in the mirror, and noticed new lines that seem to appear overnight? Aging can feel like it sneaks up on us when we least expect it, especially when it comes to our face. But what if I told you that there are 4 simple vitamins that could make a noticeable difference? These vitamins aren't magic, but they're pretty close. They work with your body to restore that youthful glow we all want. So let's dive into the 4 vitamins that could stop face aging in its tracks, overnight. Let's start with the first vitamin, vitamin C. We've all heard about vitamin C when it comes to boosting our immune system. But did you know it's also a game changer for your skin? Vitamin C helps to stimulate collagen production, which is the protein responsible for keeping our skin firm and smooth. Think of collagen like a scaffolding that holds everything in place. As we age, this scaffolding weakens, leading to sagging and wrinkles. But when you give your skin a boost of vitamin C, it's like reinforcing that structure, bringing firmness back to your face. And here's the best part. Vitamin C also helps reduce dark spots and pigmentation, brightening your skin for that radiant glow. Whether it's through serums, foods like citrus fruits, or supplements, vitamin C is a must if you're serious about fighting face aging. Now let's move on to vitamin E. This one's a powerhouse when it comes to protecting your skin from the environment. Every day, our skin faces pollution, UV rays, and even stress, which all contribute to aging. Vitamin E acts like a shield, neutralizing free radicals that can cause damage to your skin cells. Imagine you're putting on a protective armor every day when you incorporate vitamin E into your routine. It's also incredibly moisturizing, which is key in preventing those fine lines and wrinkles from getting deeper. Dry skin makes wrinkles more noticeable, but vitamin E helps lock in that hydration, keeping your skin smooth and supple. The best part? You can find vitamin E in foods like almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach, or in many topical skincare products. All right, now let's talk about vitamin A, or as it's often called in the skincare world, retinol. Vitamin A is a game changer for skin cell turnover. As we age, our skin's ability to shed dead cells slows down, leading to dull, tired-looking skin. Vitamin A speeds up this process, allowing new, fresh skin cells to come to the surface. Think of it like a gentle exfoliation happening at the cellular level. It's the reason so many anti-aging creams include retinol. It's proven to reduce fine lines, improve skin texture, and even out skin tone. Just be careful when starting with vitamin A. It's powerful stuff, so start slow and let your skin adjust. You can find it in foods like sweet potatoes, carrots, and leafy greens, or in skincare products specifically designed to combat aging. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about vitamin B3, or niacinamide. This one is a hidden gem in the fight against aging. Niacinamide helps improve your skin's barrier function, keeping moisture in and irritants out. It's like building a fortress around your skin, protecting it from anything that might try to harm it. On top of that, niacinamide reduces redness and blotchiness, making your skin look more even-toned. It's perfect if you've got sensitive skin or are prone to redness or irritation. You'll find it in skincare products, especially those designed for anti-aging, but it's also available in foods like chicken, tuna, and mushrooms. So there you have it, the 4 vitamins that could stop face aging overnight: vitamin C, vitamin E, vitamin A, and vitamin B3. These vitamins work together to boost collagen, protect your skin, increase cell turnover, and keep your face hydrated and radiant. While there's no miracle cure for aging, these vitamins are about as close as you can get. Give your skin the nutrients it needs, and you'll start to notice a difference faster than you think. We love hearing from our community. Let us know what you think, and please share your experience in the comments below. Your story could inspire others to embark on their own journey towards better health. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. As always, take care of yourself, and thanks for watching.